Girls, do you have this kind of places in Iran?
Yes, we have.
You have only desert. You don't have anything.
I think you have seen it yourself. See your next day.
Why?
You are tired of your life
Why?
because you are talking a lot.
She said you have to go hurry. You have to hurry up because
Bye.
you see a lot of things, interesting things.
How they're rocking? Rita, don't hit. Oh, crocodile. Hello guys, welcome to our new vlog. We are with another Indian Persian couple, Zahra and Samson. Samson, why you are not scoring runs?
Why am I scoring runs?
You are getting out on 0-1.
Really? Am I?
I'm talking about Sanju Samson. So he's not that Samson.
जिस राह पे तुम चल रहे हो बेटा, एक दिन बुरी तरह फंसोगे। उस दिन मुझे याद करना, मैं पहुंच जाऊंगा।
So guys, we are so excited. Actually, yesterday we came for my OCI and we wanted to go back to Pune, but as we Iranians cannot leave each other, so we thought we will stay. We stayed with them, and today we are going to explore in Mumbai, and then we'll go back Pune.
Exactly. Let's
And
go
we will
for it.
call them to Pune also.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we are going one zoo, Baikula Zoo. So you visited before?
No,
Oh,
it's our
it'll be our first time too.
Okay, this is our first time. We'll go.
We are
At 5 it's
excited.
going to close and it's 3:30. So
Yeah,
let's
let's
see
go
what we
fast.
can do.
Hopefully we
We'll
reach
show
on
you
time.
guys.
Okay
Be with
guys,
us.
bye.
I know.
There is no rule.
What you are saying, Bitul? You are saying bad things
I'm-
about India.
No, I'm saying mostly people from here to there drive. You cannot understand. You cannot predict.
Means no one follow traffic rules.
Yeah. Hello guys.
So we came to it's Baikula or Baikula. So let's go.
Let's go.
So entry fee is 50 rupees per person. Toilet was there, but I will say it was okay. It was not that much clean. So we are going inside now. Chalo.
You recognize we are foreigners.
No, but there is no different fee for foreigner or Indian. It's same.
Okay.
Uh,
Hello, let's see what things they have inside.
Guys, this is monkey.
I was trying to speak in Marathi with Zara, so they will not recognize we are foreigners.
No, fees is same for everyone.
Is it?
Oh, they made net. See? So birds will not go outside. You see, Bitul? They put net outside, so birds will not go outside. See?
So beautiful.
Ah.
Even similar thing you are in
And Iran also, Tehran. We went.
Bird garden.
Let's go. Slowly. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's like jungle. Of birds. So many birds. Guys, we don't know name of birds. If you know, write down in comment.
You also see.
See? Where?
See you guys.
Hello. So girls, do you have this kind of places in Iran?
Yes, we have.
You have only desert. You don't have anything.
I think
You
don't
have
want
seen it
to
yourself.
See your next day.
Why?
You are tired of your life
Why?
because you are talking a lot.
She said you have to go hurry. You have to hurry up because
Bye.
you see a lot of things, interesting things.
Okay. Thank you. She is saying. We cannot stay here one night.
Oh, just tent over here. You can tent with the birds out there.
It's so beautiful, this park.
Yeah, it is.
It's zoo. Actually, it's zoo.
Zoo.
You said it's old, na? During British time they made.
Yeah, but then they remade this thing again.
Okay, okay.
It was very old, so then they remade this whole place. It's become much better than before.
I think tiger is here. Where is tiger? Hey, don't do. Just imagine it's real. Rita, don't hit. Oh, crocodile. It's real or fake? Rita, don't do like that. I know, but don't do.
I want to.
We can guess what is this? This is a small crocodile.
Which one?
So big.
It's in the water, it looks small.
You see, it looks like statue. See,
Yeah, like a statue.
not moving anything. See,
Just resting. From top you see it.
no movement at all, guys. See. See, guys, one couple is here. That one is single. See, single one is alone.
That one is mom or dad and this one children.
No, that one is single. This one is couple.
But that one is bigger, I think, or no?
Single, he became old. How is this zoo?
If I want to be honest, I have never been like this type of place in India. It's so wonderful.
It's better
Still,
than that
a lot of-
Rajiv Gandhi
Yeah.
zoo in Pune. It's so
Even
beautiful,
that,
so clean.
Still is remaining to see a lot of things. They are saying penguin also is there. I never saw in real.
Really?
I
I also
hope-
never saw.
I hope I will see. And I am so sad. We should have come earlier.
We
I
didn't know,
hope we will
na?
get time to explore everywhere.
Let's see.
It's so beautiful.
After this, we have to go to Pune also.
Yeah.
We didn't even eat lunch.
But not that much way. I think
3 hours.
3 hours?
3 hours from here.
Okay.
Okay. He's saying hello to me.
Yeah? Oh shit. Nice. Wow. It's a good shot, yeah?
On top, on top.
Yeah, on top there. The cost of that is 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh.
Cost of one parrot.
Yeah, this one 1.5
Yeah,
lakh, 1
she
lakh.
asked once.
It's good business then. One male and one female will buy.
We asked from the town.
So guys, first time we are going to see penguin.
I'm so excited. But it's so hot and humid.
Weather is hot. In Mumbai, always weather is humid. In any season you come, rainy, winter,
But now
summer.
because of that breath issue I got, I am feeling shortness of breath.
I think inside is there, penguin. They have cafe also, guys. There is cafe, and this side is penguin. But I feel a little bit different because of breathing issues. Once we reach to Pune, we will go Lungs Hospital.
Because here weather is so humid. And in normal situations, people cannot breathe properly. Let alone my situation.
Oh, penguins. I saw only in movies. First time I'm seeing here.
For me, Iranians is funny.
Pengu? What they are doing? See? How? Walk? How they are walking?
So we came outside of the penguin park and we are going towards the zoo.
Or you want to eat something? Let's see. I don't.
After that.
After that we'll eat. Okay. But it's good. They have good cafe. Means they are clean. Hygiene is good. Hygiene is good. It's clean. So guys, it's raining.
Oh my god, it's so much raining. Give me. Come so much close to me.
Now we are going to see
Show your
tiger.
vlog. Now we are going to see tiger, but I hope rain stops.
Which side we
There
have
is
to
so
go?
much rain.
Okay.
I think this side. We
Let's
still
go.
didn't have lunch, but we thought because after a few minutes it will be
Close.
closed. That's why we will first see here and then we will go.
Okay.
Towards
It's so big, but we don't have time.
Yeah.
It's at 5:30 they close this zoo, and it's already 5:20 something. So we just want to see tiger and we want to go. From
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
Okay.
Chalo.
You're calling your friends?
Yes. Try to make a sound.
Namdana. Now we are going to see tiger. He's like, do whatever you want to do. I want to go and see tiger. No, this side. Tiger's in trouble. Let's go and save tiger. Slow. Alright. So guys, there is no tiger, no lion. The one guy, the security guard, he was saying the lion went for servicing. So I don't know. And tiger also is not there, it's empty. Give it till 1 second. We'll go hospital once we go Pune. Actually, Beta is facing that breathing issues now. I went to doctor, we showed allergist because she had allergy of dust and this thing. So she gave different inhaler and nasal spray and this thing. But it's not working. So I think we have to go to lungs doctor also. So tomorrow we'll go. Today we'll reach I think 10 something. So tomorrow once we go Pune, I will take appointment. So guys, we came here. Leopard also is not there. Hyena also, that also is not there. Nothing is there. So guys, we came to Phoenix Mall.
In Pune also is there.
It's so big here.
Here is big.
So big. They have parking till 7th floor. So
I
big.
want to see which brands also they have here.
I think everything is there.
Let's see what.
Beta, see here. Hey.